Hi Stellars! Welcome back to NATAL page. My name is Joyce at sa mga bago sa akin channel, welcome sa inyo lahat. Today meron tayong love horoscope para sa ating mga Aries friends for the month of December. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, so hindi lahat makapag-resonate dito, pero kung gusto niyo ng personal or private reading, i-message niyo lang po ako sa aking Facebook page, which is NATAL Official. Makikita niyo yun sa description box or sa screen itong video na to. Okay, it will be flashed on the screen. So let's see. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs Aries for the month of December, last month of 2021. What is the combined love energy for my Aries? Thunder. Okay. Coming very, very strong. Very confident but aggressive. The little. Okay. Very contrasting energy. Okay, I have a feeling na itong passion na meron kayo dito sa tao na to, it could start something very, very small pa lang, but there's a spark between the two of you. Very little gesture of love. More of a confident, no, itong person na to, or it could be coming from your side, Aries, na medyo confident ka dito, but you're taking one step at a time dito sa the little energy. But I have a feeling na whatever that is dito sa the thunder, no, because this is the way of being confident of yourself, parang expressing who you are, parang very, very straightforward na tao, and little by little I have a feeling na parang mafo-fall ka dito sa tao na to. I have a feeling na parang ma-admire mo tong person na to, but there's some kind of a negative energy, parang hindi ka sure kung siya na ba, yung parang ganon, parang there's a doubt, kasi parang medyo may intimidation kang nararamdaman dito sa tao na to. I don't know, but it could be coming from you, Aries, or this is your energy and this is your person's feeling towards you na parang na-intimidate sila sa inyo. Okay, so let's see the other message for my Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Spirit, please give us the message for Aries. What is the message for Aries? What is the message for my Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of December? Okay, let's see. We have delightful relationship together, big happiness and love. Very contrasting sa little. But I have a feeling na parang ito yung magbi-build up pa rin. Magbi-build up pa lang, hindi pa siya yung ready. Parang may intimidation no? Nararamdaman ko kasi na parang na-overwhelm yung isa sa inyo, but there's a delightful relationship that's coming from this connection, no? Parang both of you has a lot of parang very, very passionate, very, very connected with each other. Parang it's a big deal na nag-meet kayo nitong person na to, and I have a feeling na may enjoy nyo yung isa't isa. Parang magbi-build up ka kasi ng dito ng rapport, no? Parang, I don't know, parang nakakita ko kasi na you delight in each other's presence. Yes. But yung isa kasi nai-intimidate siya. Parang sinasabi niya na, hindi ako fit sa'yo, kasi ganito ka, ako ganito lang. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko. But there's a possibility, high possibility talaga na magiging masaya kayo sa isa't isa, sa company ng isa't isa, no? I mean, the companionship, no? Not the company office, no? Yung, you have them as a companion, parang ganon. Parang, merong joy dito sa isang tao na kasama ka nila or nakaka-bond ka nila, no? Alright, so let's put this aside and let's see your tarot. Tingnan natin yung tarot nyo, guys. Okay, God, guys, angels, universe, ancestor, and Holy Spirit, what is the message for my Aries? Sun, Moon, rising and Venus signs. Please give us a message for Aries for the month of December 2021. So guys, unahin natin ang energy nyo and then later on, yung energy ng person nyo. And then, yung mutual energies. Okay. So what is the message for my Aries? What is the energy of my Aries? Judgment. Okay. 7 of Wands. 3 of Swords. Why? Why do you have these energies? Okay. Alam ko na guys. Alam ko na kung bakit kayo may thunder. I have a feeling na parang nagpo-pull away yung energy nyo dito, no? Parang pinull away nyo yung sarili nyo. For some reason, you're kind of like broken-hearted with this. Kasi siguro, even though magre-reconcile kayo nitong tao na to with the judgment energy, siguro parang kaya sila nag-pull away kasi nga medyo intimidated sila sa inyo. Parang they're trying to fit themselves in your life, pero parang ikaw yung nahihirapan kasi okay lang naman sa'yo na ganito siya. Yung parang ganon, mahirap kasi buhatin no? Yung taong parang nai-insecure sila sa sarili nila and hindi nila nakikita yung the way mo sila nakikita dito, no? But you're kind of like broken-hearted dito with the 3 of Swords. Definitely magre-reconcile kayo nitong person na to. For some reason, nakakita ko kasi na parang you're trying to defend yourself here. And this is the thunder energy. I have a feeling na coming towards you yung thunder energy. You're trying to defend yourself na, hey, alam mo, hindi naman ako, kaka-intimidate eh. Actually, ikaw lang talaga yung nag-iisip na na-intimidate ka sa akin. Yung parang ganon. Parang gusto mong isipin niya na hindi ka naman talaga sobrang taas, yung parang unreachable, yung hindi ma-reach na tao, yung ganon. Hindi ka ganon, parang dinedefine mo yung sarili mo. Hindi naman ako ganon eh, pero ikaw lang yung nag-iisip ng ganon. Okay, so let's see the energy of your person. This is very unique energy, no? We have Queen of Wands. This is a message. What is the energy of Aries? Aries person, strength, okay. And the 7 of Pentacles. Okay. Alright. So, alam nyo guys, they still have a lot of passion towards you. With the Queen of Wands energy, definitely there's a lot of passion there. Very physical attraction. And, alam mo, medyo parang naghihinayang sila sa inyong relasyon with the strength energy. I have a feeling na itong strength, parang hindi rin sila confident, pero pinapakita nila yung projection na, strong ako, ganyan. Parang yun yung nakakita ko dito. Kasi the way you defend yourself here with the 7 of Wands and the strength energy coming here, coming from your person, parang pinapakita nila na strong ako. Pero they see themselves a little, yung parang very little, yung may insecurity sila pero pinapakita nila sa'yo na hindi sila insecure. Pero the more na pinapakita nila na hindi sila insecure, the more na parang they belittle themselves. No? Parang yung nakikita ko dito. Kasi natapat siya sa 7 of Wands. And then dito yung conflict yung dalawa. Ito yung conflict nyo. With the 7 of Pentacles, kung ikaw yung broken-hearted dito, Aries, no? I have a feeling that they're trying their best. They're building up their confidence to wait on you. Pero tingin ko sila yung makikipag-communicate sa inyo kung hindi kayo nagkaroon ng communication recently. They will be the one to reach out to you. Pero inaantay nila yung perfect timing here with the 7 of Pentacles. Hindi pa sila sure kung ito pa yung i-explain ko kasi may insecurity ako and whatnot. Pero I have a feeling na parang they're coming confidently with the Queen of Wands. Parang sure na sila dito kung ano yung nararamdaman nila para sa inyo. Yeah, Queen of Wands. Alright, so tingnan natin ang mutual energies. Ang inyong mutual energies. Spirit, please give us the mutual energies for Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Okay. Alright, we have two already pala. Alright. Meron kang the Hangman and the Tower. Okay. Malala, guys. Okay. Mutual energies nyo, parehas kayong ayaw mag-reach out. No? The Hangman. Struggling. And then, because of this abrupt changes, itong the Tower, very struggle kayo. Sobrang struggling dito yung relationship nyo or yung love connection nyo. I have a feeling na ito yung mutual energies mo, but it doesn't really matter. Never mind this, no? For as long as you know the energy of your person. Kasi kahit ito yung mutual energies nyo, parehas kayong nagkaroon ng conflict when it comes to communication and when it comes to action. No? Kasi na-overwhelm sila. I have a feeling na overwhelmed sila sa inyo. But you want to reconcile back with this person and you're going to be reconciled back with this person. That's all that matters. No? Parang hindi na kailangan pang alamin natin kung ano nangyari dito sa Tower. Although this is the conflict of communication. Yeah. So, they have their own struggle, by the way, with the Hangman. Parang nag-struggle sila sa mga views nila sa buhay, sa mga beliefs nila. That's why they can't move. They're still waiting on themselves here. Queen of Pentacles. Siguro kailangan mo tiyagain to kasi hindi pa sila masyadong hulmado until they find themselves as the Queen of Wands. Doesn't matter kung ano yung gender ng person mo. Queen of Wands is an energy. So yung Queen of Wands is all about attraction. This person is still loves you, still attracted to you. They really find you very, alam mo yun, parang wow. Napapawaw sila sa inyo. But you have to wait on them kasi Seven of Pentacles might take some time kasi hina-harvest pa yung Seven of Pentacles. Parang pa yan, aantayin pa yan. Okay? Alright, so tingnan natin guys ang channel messages ng ating Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. So, maaaring ito ang channel message nyo para sa inyong person or ito ang channel message ng person nyo para sa inyo. Depende po yun kung paano ito mag-resonate sa buhay nyo, guys. So, babasahin ko lang po yung mga nalaglag na messages. What are the messages for my Aries Spirit? Please give us the message. Okay. Okay. Tignan natin. Sabi dito, I want to reconcile with you. Ayan na nga. Oh, Aries. Diba may reconciliation kayo? May judgment. Okay. I'm getting ready to come home to you. So, parang may reconciliation nga talaga. I'm holding on to us. I'm not giving up yet. So, yun yung strength energy. I believe in us. Okay? I miss you. So, you miss each other very much. Alright, so this is your reading, Aries. I hope it helped. I hope mag-like and share kayo dito sa video na to. I-share nyo po to sa inyong social media accounts, sa inyong friends. And, kung gusto nyo na personal private reading, message nyo na po ako sa aking Facebook page, Tardella Official. Yung link doon is nasa description box. Okay, guys? Nautol ako. And, guys, see you next time, Stellars. Love and light. Namaste.